Hello, YouTube. Salivate Metal here. And wow, we have seen quite a movement in the metals, the precious metals, upwards today, um, with the Fed deciding not to raise interest rates. So they're huddling around the 0.25 to 0.5% rate. They're very low. But what's interesting is that the prices of gold and silver rising so quickly after the Fed made its statement, which means a weaker dollar. Commodities are going up. Of course, we're seeing oil go up, and gasoline has really gone up quite a bit in the last week or so. And it begs the question as to why this is happening so fast. Well, looking back at their meeting and what they had predicted earlier. I'd forgotten that the Fed had made um, some predictions earlier that they would do 4 rate hikes during the course of the year 2016, and they've revised that downward. And so here we can see in this chart, the gold has made quite an upswing here, and very, very interesting and fascinating indeed. Silver went up over $16 an ounce earlier today. So, quite fascinating. It just goes to show you that the dollar is fragile. And upon this news, and what's interesting is that there will be two more, supposedly, anyway, there will be two more rate hikes coming and down the pike. So they say, it's anybody's guess really, but I think when Janet Yellen made that promise earlier of 4 rate hikes, I think that really bolstered the dollar, and she wanted to give some confidence. We're in a fragile economy because when you do raise interest rates, it could cause some other problems, and obviously they figured it would, so they decided not to raise the interest rates when they met this time. So we'll see what happens in the future. In the meantime, if they do raise it again next time, what do you think that will have on precious metals and the dollar? My feeling is that the dollar will not be as strong. It won't get to the point where it was before they made this announcement, and the precious metals prices will not go down as sharply as they had previously because they're backing away from some promises, and they see the dollar as fragile. They see the economy as fragile, and so we shall see. So the safe haven metal it is, gold remains to be, especially, and silver certainly can see that as well when you have a jump that we've seen today, and it gives more credibility and viability to the precious metals, in my opinion. And I believe that's one reason why you are seeing people, more and more people, looking to gold and silver as safe havens um, during economic hardship, but also they're looking towards the precious metals and when the economy is doing well or when the dollar is strong because they realize that in the end it is wise to acquire some of those precious metals. So please post your thoughts below. I want to extend a multitude of gratitude to you all for watching and encourage you to please rate, comment, and subscribe.